Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful and amazing classy rustic farmhouse look droop and jute rope, jute craft, burlap craft ideas. It is very amazing and useful ideas, recycling things, recycling ideas, and very well known about everyone know about jute and burlap. This is a eco-friendly and budget-friendly ideas and budget-friendly material. It's a very beautiful and amazing collection. If you want to make something different, something unique, something stylistic, you can make this with these type of things, these type of ideas. And these are very amazing and useful collection for everyone who wants to do something new for our home, for their home. For this is a very beautiful rustic jute amazing collection. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, environmental friendly, very beautiful ideas, and everybody can make this with these type of things. Take some flowers, make some jute vase. It's a total rustic farmhouse look. So hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. We really want to appreciate your effort and love. We are trying to bring very amazing and cozy style ideas. This is a very amazing collection. Hope you like that all collection and ideas. We are trying to bring very amazing and unique collection. Thank you for joining me today. And watch till the end. In this video you can take the amazing and unique collection. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful, very amazing, eco-friendly, sustainable, on budget jute craft ideas with some old wooden piece and rustic touch of jute craft ideas. Very beautiful and amazing, interesting designs of these collection. And hope you enjoy these designs, and by getting ideas from this video you will make something extraordinary. So these designs are made from burlap and jute and rustic touch collection, and these are very impressive and unique designs. Most of the designs are very easy to make, and you can apply some mixture of something like flowers, old flower, and you want to give a rustic look, so you can apply skin shade, brownish shade and rustic shade on your canvas, on your craft project. So these craft projects are very truly amazing, and wall hanging decoration ideas you can make it, and these designs are very easy to make. From application of some things like old wooden piece, and these are really eco-friendly and on budget, and you can make something different and beautiful with these type of designs. So hope you enjoy these designs, hope you enjoyed all ideas. Our video gives you the amazing classy ideas of wall hanging decoration. You can make wreath, you can make wall hanging jute burlap and beautiful craft handmade decoration, wall hanging decoration, and amazing ideas for everyone who wants to craft. And this is very energetic and positive vibes with the beautiful craft ideas. So viewers, in this video we are going to show you the amazing crafting ideas, and these collections are very impressive and beautiful. So in this video we are going to show you the amazing and beautiful crafting ideas, and bring a rustic cozy charm to your holiday season with DIY jute burlap craft. From handmade ornaments to creative doormats, these budget-friendly projects are simple, eco-friendly, and perfect for Xmas decorating. Whether you are making free ornaments, festive mats, or unique handmade decor, jute and burlap craft add a warm rustic touch to your home this holiday season. So in this video we are going to show you the amazing crafting ideas, very beautiful and amazing collection. So what are you waiting for? Welcome back friends. Creativity is here. In today's video we will explore beautiful DIY mixed crafts using simple eco-friendly materials, jute and burlap. These rustic and handmade designs are not only budget friendly but also bring warmth, tradition and charm to your holiday season. We'll be creating ornaments, decorating, and even a stylish doormat that will make your home feel festive and welcoming. So grab your jute rope, burlap fabric and a little creativity. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about why jute and burlap are perfect for X-Mix craft. Eco-friendly, rustic beauty, budget-friendly, durable. Let's start with ornaments. These can be hung your X-Mix tree, used as well decor, or even added to gift wrapping for a handmade touch. Jute wrap balls. Take old plastic or foam balls, wrap them tightly with jute twine, securing with glue. Add small bows, beads, or a touch of glitter for a sparkle. Burlap stars and hearts. Cut burlap fabric into star or heart shapes. Sew or glue two pieces together and lightly stuff with cotton or fabric scraps for a 3D look. Decorating with lace, buttons, or tiny pine cones. Mini wreath. We can also use in mini wreath. Use small metals or cardboard rings. Wrap with jute rope and add tiny ribbons, bells, or berries. These make adorable mini wreath ornaments for your tree or walls. These ornaments are quick, simple, and carry a cozy handmade charms. Now let's create a rustic X-Mix doormat that welcomes guests with festive cheer. You can use plain burlap fabric or recycle an old mat as the base. Cut the burlap to your preferred size for added durability. Glue or stitch a baking fabric underneath. Create borders with jute rope, twisted, braided for a strong finish. Decorating, now I'm talking about decorating. Add patterns like stars, snowflakes, or an X-Mix tree using cutout felt or painted stencils. Attach small jute bows or ornaments with extra charm. Spray with a fabric protector to make it last longer, especially if placing outdoor. These DIY projects not only affordable but also gives your entryway a warm, handmade holiday touch. Now we talk about benefits and inspiration. Crafting with jute and burlap has so many benefits. It's therapeutic. Working with your hands helps reduce stress and improves focus. It's creative. You can personalize every piece with your own design. It's eco-conscious. Recycling old materials into something new and reduces waste. And most importantly, it adds personal handmade touch to your holiday home. Imagine your X-Mix tree decorated with rustic ornaments, your doorway brightened with a handmade mat, and your walls adorned with burlap stars, all crafted by you. That's the true magic of handmade.